How to increase video quality in Premiere Pro. Greetings Premiere Pro users. Want to enhance the quality of your video footage? Let's explore some techniques to increase video quality in Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Start by working with high quality source footage. Import footage with a high resolution, frame rate and bit depth to maintain maximum quality throughout the editing process. Set up your sequence settings to match the specifications of your source footage. Choose a sequence preset with the same resolution and frame rate as your source footage to avoid quality loss during editing. In the effects panel, search for the sharpen effect. Apply it to your video clips to enhance the clarity and sharpness of details. Be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive sharpening can introduce artifacts. Use color correction techniques to improve the overall look of your footage. Adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, and color balance to achieve a more vibrant and balanced image. If your footage contains noise or grain, use the noise reduction effect to clean it up. Adjust the settings to reduce noise while preserving detail and sharpness. When exporting your video, use a higher bitrate to maintain the quality. Choose a bitrate that is appropriate for your intended delivery platform while ensuring maximum quality. Avoid excessively high bitrates, as they can result in large file sizes. Export your video in the highest resolution possible to preserve quality. Choose a resolution that matches or exceeds the resolution of your source footage. Before finalizing your video, preview it to ensure that the quality meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments to achieve the desired result. Bravo! You've successfully enhanced the quality of your video footage in Premiere Pro. By following these techniques, you can achieve professional looking results and impress your audience with high quality content. Happy editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.